Traders, Zeldin here, July 23rd, 2018. Markets closed. We're looking at BioAmber. Right now we're looking at the daily chart. If you reviewed the prior videos on BioAmber, you will notice that we actually were watching her for the last 3 or 4 days or so. And if you follow my tweets on Twitter, Twitter handle @TradingTeacher, you'll actually see me posting throughout the day what I think it will do and what happened as it progressed. What I'm letting every individual know who's watching my recordings, trading is a language like any other. You need to understand the language in order to understand what you're looking at. Obviously, the trading language can get disrupted, mainly when it comes to news. And it's especially when it comes to news that's not in your favor or based on technical charts and technical indicators favors. That's what trading is. It's a language. If you want to learn it, September 2018, I'm starting my first course. Obviously, I teach before a long time ago, and I've been in the trading market for since 18. I'll be 30 some. Excuse me. I can't even remember how old I am these days. I'm going to be 37 in September of 2018. Have a lot of background in trading and investing, so feel free to watch all the previous videos on BioAmber, or any other videos that I posted, or maybe some tweets that I posted for the last several months. Get your take, and if you're interested, just reach out to me. I'll let you know everything you need to know about our upcoming trading course. But let's get into BioAmber right now. Remember, it broke through this support level at the beginning, and then it became resistance. And you saw how the buyers were fighting back, trying to break through, but unable to until news came out. Then when we got at this level, I made a post and was like, hey guys, if you really believe in this stock, you guys got to break this resistance. Broke through, confirmed support, and then we just saw booms and booms. And I even stated at 9 cents is our first resistance level yesterday. It went too close to 9 cents, I believe 0.088, and trailed back down to 0.086. Not too bad, but we have to understand there's resistance at around 0.09, and it's right at it. So now as we zoom in, and what I'm going to do is get out of the daily chart and go into a 10-minute time frame chart. And I just want you guys to notice, I want you guys to catch your eye on something. Remember when I stated that this was the uptrend, it broke through, became the downtrend, news came out, helped push up through, right? What happened was this was first level support after it broke through the resistance. When it broke through this resistance, because it had to break through and stay above this original trend uptrend that was broken, when it broke through up this level, you saw it pop, go back down to the uptrend, and notice that it was a bottom, and this is uptrend, and surged higher. Okay, but now we're at resistance. Now, I'm not saying it's a strong resistance, but it's resistance, and we need to be aware of what we're doing when we're trading. Trading is the language. I said it before. I'm saying it again. So we see this 0.09 barrier. So what I'm looking for as a trader, if I'm long, I'm looking for it to go to 0.091, maybe 0.093. And what I want to do is, I want it just to close there. If it can close over the 9 or break through over the 9 and close above 9 cents, I will feel a lot better going into the following days. Now, when it's at resistance, most traders, they get paranoid. And this is the paranoid situation where they're like, oh, I'm going to take out my profits. If I'm not going to get out at resistance, other traders will. And what happens, there's a spiral effect when people see as a stock goes down and they see it's going lower and lower and the first support level breaks, and then they get nervous, and then the second support level breaks, and then when they get out, it goes higher. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen here. So what I'm saying, and my statements I'm moving forward is basically everything I tell you is my opinion only. It's a trading language, and like anything in the world, there could be some type of disruption. Okay, especially when it comes to the market. So there's resistance right here, And my take is, if at the open it pops and breaks through 9 cents, it'll go higher right away. However, if it drops, I'm looking at my first support level above this uptrend. It was resistance, broke through, becomes support. You see this bounce, trades higher. We'll see what that resistance is. Now that's my first support level. My second support level would be, bear with me, my second support level will be right here. Okay, and the reason for that is, you see that X mark right there where this uptrend became support again, and you can see that on the 10-minute chart where it dropped towards the uptrend and then just popped and surged. What happens is this confirmed support, so this would be my stronger support, and if it would collapse under that level, I'm not going to say it's going to go down, but that's where I believe more profit taking will be taken out of, and it might take some time to go higher. Now, I'm looking at this trend. I want to stay above this trend, and that's all I care about. Anything under 0.069, I'm nervous. It's at 8 cents. It could ride out, 0.088 cents, 86 cents. It could ride out, break through 9 tomorrow at the open. I hope it does that. If it does do that, like I said, we probably can see somewhere in the low teens. And that would be great for all the long traders, but we have to wait and see. So just pay attention, like I said before previously. Remember those 9s. Remember, keep your eyes on those 9s. We're close to those 9s. We want to see if we can break through those 9s. That's the main focus right now. However, if it doesn't, this uptrend support is the first support area where it should bounce off of and see if it holds. Worst case scenario, if it breaks through, you got the 6 9s. So as a trader, you can base how you want to trade this. Some people are not going to have stop orders or not going to execute as it collapses. They're just going to wait long term. They're trend traders, also possibly investors. I don't invest in penny stocks. If I'm going to invest in a stock, it's going to be something like something in the NASDAQ National Market or New York Stock Exchange, a more reputable stock in general. But penny stocks, you can make money out of it, especially if you know how to trade and you know what you're doing. I would like to see it break through 9 cents, at the open in the morning. But if it doesn't, we have to reanalyze things. But we do have this huge support level thanks to this sharp up move this morning. So that's good for us. Support is at 6.9. It shot up. It's at 8 today. So up 21%. Let's see if it can break through 9s tomorrow. Okay, and it doesn't look too bad. You see, it shows a hammer over here, large volume. So this could be support. What will be interesting if it gaps up tomorrow, and if it does, ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Let's just wait and see. Once again, this is Zellman. You can find me on Twitter. Follow me at Trading Teacher. Have upcoming courses coming in September. You can go to my website at www.thetradingteacher.com. Take care.